Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakir. In this video, we will learn how to use offset command. To activate the offset command, you can use the command offset or you can use its alias O. Press enter. AutoCAD is asking you to specify the offset distance. So I'm going to select 2.5 units as the offset distance. Press enter. Now AutoCAD is asking you to select the object that you want to create an offset of. So let's say I want to create an offset of this rectangle. So I'll click on this rectangle. Once I click on the rectangle, you can see that if I move out of the rectangle, I get an offset of a rectangle at a distance of 2.5. If I move inside the rectangle, I get an offset of the rectangle at a distance of 2.5 towards the inside. As per your requirement, you can either make an offset towards the inside or you can make an offset towards the outside. You can also change the offset distance. So if you want to change this 2.5 to any other value, let's say to 3, you can type 3 and press enter. So AutoCAD has made a rectangle having an offset distance of 3 towards the outside. And you can see that you're still in the offset command. To get out of the offset command, you can press escape, or if you want to create some more offsets, you can click on the object. So let's say I want to create an offset of this circle. So I'll click on this circle. And because we have specified 2.5 as the original offset distance, it is again showing us a distance of 2.5 for both outward and the inward offset. So let's click on the inside this time, and the offset of the circle is ready. To get out of the offset command, you can press escape. You can also activate the offset command using this offset icon in the modify panel. If you don't want to specify the offset distance at the start, you can select this through option. Once you select this through option, AutoCAD asks you to specify the object that you want to offset. So again, I'm going to click on this rectangle, and this time you can see that there is no fixed distance. You can specify the distance on the screen. So you can specify any distance towards the inside or towards the outside of the rectangle, or you can click anywhere on the screen. So I'll just click here, and this is the offset of the rectangle. Let's select this erase option. When you select this erase option, AutoCAD asks you whether you want to erase the source object after offsetting or not. Right now the option selected is no, so I'm going to change it to yes. And I'm going to set the offset mode as through. Press enter. So I'll click on this rectangle. And now you can see that AutoCAD is not keeping the original rectangle. It has erased the original rectangle and is only keeping the offset rectangle on the screen. Let's activate the offset command again and set this erase option back to no. Again, I'm going to keep the offset mode as through. I'm going to select this line as the object, and from the menu here, I'm going to select multiple. So now I can set multiple offsets at a time. Because we haven't specified any specific distance, we are in the through mode, we can make offsets at any distance. To get out of the command, press escape.